Estàs molt callat. Edu...
Res...
Tens un posat estrany. No sé si estàs trist o content. Ja t'ho vaig dir que no m'agradava que sortissis, però tu, mira...
Mare, no em passa res.
Queda pastís de poma.
No, gràcies.
No m'has dit que no em volies?
He dit que no?
Ai... Ara sembles un nen. Quan eres petit tenies aquesta cara si feies alguna tremaliadura. Quina no n'has fet?
Ets més tonta.
Sóc la teva mare. Què?
M'hi he enamorat.
Però això és fantàstic, Edu.
Vols dir?
Oh, i tant, és fantàstic! I qui és allà? Va, explica-m'ho. Qui és? On l'has conegut?
No crec que la coneguis. Treballa en una botiga de discs.
Oh, n'heu parlat ja?
That's your boyfriend, he wasn't last night. If that's your boyfriend, if that's your boyfriend, if that's your boyfriend, he wasn't last night. Now late at night, he calls me on my telephone. That's why when you call him, all you get is a busy, busy tone. You're upset cause you once stuck a bitch. Baby needed a change, a switch. Who am I not to oblige? Especially if the man is fly. So, call me what you like. Go ahead, call me what you like. While I do slam your boyfriend tonight. Boyfriend. If that's your boyfriend, if that's your boyfriend, if that's your boyfriend, he wasn't last night. You can say I'm wrong, you think that's kind of freaky. I can't be trusted, kinda sneaky, but no. Get your story right, he knocked on my door, so what should I say no for? So if that's your boyfriend, if that's your boyfriend, if that's your boyfriend, he wasn't last night. If that's your boyfriend, if that's your boyfriend, if that's your boyfriend, he wasn't last night, babe. To the light slick at the bottom of the bag. Ooh, baby, make you wanna do things that you never had. Ooh, bad sex, and when we're through, I really have no problem acting like I don't know you.
The summer hadn't hailed and held its breath too long. The winter looked the same as if it never had gone. And through an open window where no curtain hung, I saw you. I saw you. One begins to read between the pages of a book, the shape of sleepy music, and suddenly you're hooked.
shed this weight, or just carry this weight without objection. So weight becomes lightness and light becomes weightless.